Welcome to our What's New for SOLIDWORKS 2026 series. Over the next few minutes, I'll take you through some of the updates for Assemblies. Modifying SOLIDWORKS Assemblies has always been easy, but in SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, you'll work even more efficiently with the new updates. Let's take a look. When working on Assemblies, you'll need to make cosmetic changes to assembly components such as creating reference geometry. Every save requires time to transfer the data to your local hard drive, a network storage location, or the cloud. Reducing unnecessary saves can help you work much faster. New in SOLIDWORKS Design 2026 is an assembly save indicator. This appears letting you know that only cosmetic changes have been made. However, we are not limited to only creating reference geometry. This enhancement also supports modifying reference geometry, or hiding reference geometry, or even deleting reference geometry, as long as it doesn't drive downstream features that would make non-cosmetic or physical changes to the component and assembly. Other supported operations include creating and modifying unabsorbed sketches or hiding or deleting them. Decals are another good example. Here we're dragging and dropping a warning decal onto a face in the sheet metal part. Notice that the assembly save flag is still in square brackets, indicating that although the components may need to be saved, the top level assembly does not. We don't have to be in a side-by-side view to make these changes. Editing a component in the context of the assembly is also supported, which means that however you like to work, you can take advantage of this improved workflow. We can edit the appearance of a part or even modify a feature as long as we don't confirm the change. None of these operations have created a physical change to the assembly, which means that when we save our documents, SOLIDWORKS Design will notify you that the top level assembly was not required to save. Managing configuration and display state data is key to generating the representations you need for your projects. SOLIDWORKS Design 2026 makes this experience better so you can work more efficiently and save time. Display states like these are a great way to hide and show components or change appearances without the performance overhead of a configuration. In SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, tables are rendered quickly. All columns are now fully adjustable, and text automatically wraps as needed. Reference display states in the subassembly are more accessible now that the row is enabled and disabled consistently through the drop-down menu. Global hide and show now also works more consistently. Working with multiple configurations is easy using the configuration table. Now in SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, when you double-click an item in the graphics area to add it to the table, you'll only see the suppress column by default. The remaining columns, configuration and fixed, are still available through the drop-down menu, and any column can be removed by unchecking the box or by right-clicking the header and choosing delete. SOLIDWORKS Toolbox is a great way to manage fasteners and add them to your assemblies, which reduces the time you spend with this tedious task. However, many companies may not choose to use this option. SOLIDWORKS Design now leverages artificial intelligence to automatically recognize fasteners and make them in place. The fasteners in this project came from the company-created library of parts and do not contain any mate helpers such as mate references. SOLIDWORKS AI fastener recognition allows you to quickly make these items in place with a simple drag and drop, no matter where they came from. These fasteners were downloaded from a hardware supplier's website. With SOLIDWORKS Design, these fasteners can be mated automatically, making this common workflow even more intuitive. With SOLIDWORKS 2026, you can work with assemblies faster now that you can reduce the number of saves when making cosmetic changes, manage configurations and display state tables more efficiently, and automate adding hardware with AI-powered fastener recognition. Please join us in our next video for what's new in drawings for SOLIDWORKS 2026.